I take this and I explode this, okay, and I delete this. Okay, making a blend surface is making a blend surface between this edge and this edge. Okay, enter किया तो वो तुमको ये फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी देता है कि तुम इधर वाले को थोड़ा पास बहुत कर सकते हो और इधर वाले को थोड़ा पास कर सकते हो. ओके, बना दिया. ठीक है. In a round thing, this is absolutely fine. But if I want कि यहाँ पे तो इतना लूज हो, यहाँ थोड़ा टाइट हो जाए, okay, and when I reach here on the other side, it should be really sharp. तो क्या करेगा? तो 3 ब्लेंड कर्व बनाएगा, एक इधर बनाएगा, एक इधर बनाएगा, एक उधर बनाएगा. जो उधर वाला है उसके बीच में वो फिलेट को टाइट करेगा, इधर वाले में लूज रखेगा, इधर वाले में ज्यादा लूज करेगा. So it will give you more control. So develop the habit of not using the software to do what you want, but you figure out exactly what I want and then do it. So another good way of doing it is, I now make these object intersection, make these coming here. इस surface को पकड़ के मैं इसके ऊपर यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे 3 कर्व बना देता हूँ. ओके, अब मैं इस सरफेस को डिलीट कर देता हूँ. ओके, नाउ आई ऑलरेडी हैव दीज. अब मैं इसका कंट्रोल पॉइंट्स को ऑन करूंगा. ओके, एंड लेट अस से आई वांट अ स्मूथर सरफेस हियर, आई विल जस्ट गो एंड डिलीट दिस टू. ठीक है, मैं इसको पकड़ के शिफ्ट दबा के थोड़ा सा और खींच दूंगा. ओके, so what I have done is I have used the natural fillet of the natural blend to create my initial surface, but from that I have got a lot of curves, and now I am playing around with those curves to redefine that surface in a way that I get what I want. Okay? This is a very common tool used, so remember this. Quickly create a damp surface between two surfaces and then use this particular thing. This इसको कभी भी भूलना मत. Extract an iso curve from a surface. Extract the iso curve, and this will come from this menu, which comes from here, which is the project menu on the left hand side. Okay? Okay, so I close the analyze, I close the surface analysis. If you want, actually, I again pick up all the surfaces. I say, okay, join all the surfaces, and then I can do this is curvature analysis, draft angle analysis भी कर सकते हो, curvature analysis भी कर सकते हो. This is at present, let us not spend 1 hour on this. Okay, this is the draft angle analysis. Draft angle analysis समझते हो? प्लास्टिक पीस को अगर टूल में से ऐसे निकालना हो
तो सबसे मुश्किल होगा ये पार्ट निकालना.
Yeah, right. So you guys can read, that is all engineering stuff, but from a design standpoint, when you have to see a surface, how good your surface is, these are the tools that you use. Okay, now this has a lot of environment options here. Okay, so this is your silver. You have brushed gold also. Brushed gold will give you an idea of your surface as a matte surface, and then shiny gold, polished gold will give you an idea of how you will get your metallic highlights. Okay, so after some time, whatever you are creating, go to this one first to check whether your surface is a curvature and looking nice, and then to see how the form is, to perceive the form and to perceive the reflections on the form, come to either polished gold or to the normal matte gold, what is it called, brushed gold. These two will give you a decent idea. So if you go down, you can, sunroom is also nice. Okay, it will give you reflections lying in the room. So if you're making an object that is lying on a table in a room, you see bed and room and also to show you all reflections in your object that you're making. Got it? So this environmental map is called an EMAP. So the tool's name is EMAP options, and in the EMAP options you have many of these maps that you can use, and you can, if you want, use your own map also. Okay, these are all JPEGs. They are lying browse में, they are lying in a directory here. You can pick up your copy of Scorpion TIFF. Shit, क्या हो गया? कोई ढंग का sketch इसमें कुछ है, कोई complete render है जो पूरा image ही image हो.
Snow scooter. Snow scooter.
नहीं उधर JPEG this at the bottom.
जिसमें वाइट का कुछ पार्ट नहीं है.
जिसमें white part कुछ ना हो, सब कुछ ही colored हो. अच्छा चलो let us try.
हाँ.
Let us try this. Okay, so it will project the damn thing on that and create that as an environment. Got you? So you can get some very interesting renders and screen captures using such environmental maps. But we will play around with rendering and environmental maps later, once you have some good control on the basic modeling. Okay? Okay. So this completes the surface analysis thing. I can close this. Thickness analysis is not required. Capture viewport to file is fine. That you can take a screen capture also. That's not a big deal. Okay. You can come back here and capture this image and save this as something on desktop. And let me save this image without all this. Then you will have to take a screen capture. You will have to close all these and take the screen capture and so on. But otherwise you will just get this. इधर को जा रहा है सब कुछ. Oh, this also captures everything. Sorry guys. You have to close them only, then you can take a screen capture. It will take the capture of whatever is in the window of Rhino. So whatever you see from here to here in the window will be captured in the screen capture. Okay? So this goes off, and I have my surface. So we were here. So we made this curve, and this interpolate on surface, create the curve on surface. You've understood, right? Handle curve is easy, sketch a curve is fine. Sketch on a polygon mesh is not required because we are not dealing with meshes and we are just dealing with surfaces, right? This will be useful if you have imported an STL file which has a lot of meshes, and then on the mesh if you want to sketch, that is when you use this. Curve control points from a polyline, and all these are, you can create a helix and you can create a spiral and you can average two curves and so on. Less used things, but yeah, you should know that you can helix and curvature you can create getting into the curve. So वो थोड़ा intuitive है कि curves के बीच में जाओगे तो तुम्हें मिल ही जाएगा. This one creating lots of circles in different ways. This one creating lots of ellipses in different ways. Please explore yourselves. This one is creating arcs. This one is the most used one, which is the arc with the start and direction start. I had showed you last time this also. I will revise. So if you have to create an arc, you do like this, and then you change its degree like this. So this is the most helpful tool for creating arcs, because you have an underlay, you have to trace it, and then you create an arc to trace that, and this is the easiest way of doing it. The rest of the arcs you can study yourselves. In this rectangle thing, there is one interesting thing. First of all, let me go back to display options and go back to color options. And you remember I made this white, that's why the background is completely white. I come back to light gray here, say okay, so that at least I have some less contrast and I can comfortably see. Now what I will do is I will go to one particular view know you can create a box rectangle, sorry, you know you can create a rectangle like this. Okay, the best one is this one, because you know, who knows this? Yeah, a few of you know. Okay, you can create this and then you can do this. So if you have to create your keys and tabs, and this is extremely useful.
There's two invisible and round edges, and one it becomes like a rhombus. More of the letting.
वो ये अलग है.
I think in trigon you have 5, 6.
I don't know of the rhombus one.
There is that colon.
Okay, so if you
Put it more
You have to
inside, it
select
becomes
one
rhombus.
now.
okay, cool. Right? So if you have to actually create this without a tool like this, it is a rhombus नहीं होता है.
Not with a more inside one.
Hole inside a rhombus. Wow.
इसमें दो ऑप्शन है क्या? उसी कमांड में दो
हाँ,
ऑप्शन
तो
है,
दो
राइट और
option
लेफ्ट.
ऐसा है ना कि ये लेफ्ट क्लिक है, वो राइट. करेक्ट फिंगर, रॉन्ग फिंगर.
ऐसे हैं?
फिलर की वैल्यू नहीं डाउट्स पे, वो यू कैन कॉल करना पड़ेगा.
नहीं ऊपर है ना.
इंजीनियरिंग मोड से बाहर आएगा कि भाई, डंडा कहाँ है? हरियाणा.
वो तो रखा है.
See, this is a visual tool. Hey, listen. Get out of your engineering mode. This is a visual tool. The purpose is to fit the damn sketch. Completely F your dimensioning. We have not even scaled anything to the actual scale. We are only trying to get things right so it will look good. When it looks good, when you fall in love with that, then we will scale it up to the actual geometry and see now how all components go in. This is an outside in approach, not an inside out approach. इंजीनियरिंग को भूल जा. डायमेंशन नहीं चाहिए. क्यों चाहिए डायमेंशन तेरे को? तू क्या मुझे बता कौन सा डायमेंशन देगा इसमें? Just go and explain that in this particular thing that we have made just now. इसमें कौन सा डायमेंशन देगा तू? There is no point ना. तू रेडियस तक नहीं डिफाइन कर सकता क्योंकि हर जगह वेरी करेगा. ये पूरे के पूरे सरफेस में हर जगह पे रेडियस वेरी करने वाला है.
मैं वो दूसरा वाला टूल की बात कर रहा हूँ जिसमें रेक्टेंगल देके फिलर देते हैं. मान लो अगर किसी एक व्यू में आपने स्पेसिफाई किया है
नहीं तो ओवरऑल तो आप कर ही सकते हो. वो तो आपको किसने रोका है? आपको रेक्टेंगल बनाना है, ये लो यहाँ पे लगाओ. लो, ये 5x10 का रेक्टेंगल बन गया. आई गिव टू वैल्यूज 5 and 10. उसमें कौन रोक रहा है आपको? वो तो तुम बना ही सकते हो यार. इट्स अ ज्योमेट्रिक टूल. So I say 20, enter, 20, enter, बन गया.
He was asking for the rounded
सब
corner.
चीज में आप डायमेंशंस दे सकते हो.
सब
देयर
चीज.
इज ऑप्शन.
सब
I know.
राउंडेड वाले में भी कर सकते हो. उसमें 20-20 का डायमेंशन तो उसके बाद थर्ड कंट्रोल में उसको आगे पीछे कॉर्नर को रेडियस को घुमाओ. अब वो रेडियस को तुम अगर डायमेंशन देना चाहते हो तो फिर उसको एक रेक्टेंगल बना के ट्रिम कर लो. Then don't try and visually do it. This tool is for you to be able to. तो मेरे को अभी ये बनाना है तो मैं इसको इधर कॉर्नर पे जाता हूँ, इधर कॉर्नर पे जाता हूँ और विजुअली देखता हूँ कि मेरे को कितना चाहिए. ठीक है. So I switch off all my, disable all my tabs. ये इतना अच्छा लगेगा कि इतना अच्छा लगेगा नहीं यार, ये थोड़ा इतना अच्छा लगेगा. ठीक है. So ये falling in love के लिए है. ये dimensional analysis के लिए नहीं है. तूने गर्लफ्रेंड को दिल से सॉरी बोला?
वरुण हमेशा कमांड के
बोला कि
साथ
नहीं बोला?
एक तेरे को ऑप्शन मिलेगा इसमें
कि मैं तेरे को
जहाँ
बहुत
पे
ज़्यादा
डायमेंशन डाल
analysis
सकता है.
करके, हाँ,
इसमें
ये
इस
वीडियो
कमांड
से
में
देखा
भी
था,
एक
कभी
ऑप्शन
तेरा
है.
perspective मैंने समझने की कोशिश
कमांड
की.
लाइन पे हमेशा पढ़ने का.
बोला कि नहीं?
मैं अभी तक नहीं बोला.
भूत तेरा उतरा नहीं अभी तक.
अरे ना ऐसा बैठ नहीं.
मैं हूँ. इसके बारे में सवाल?
How do you assign
why do you need a shortcut key? Any command that you want to type, just press the first alphabet and it will give you a list of that. So first two alphabets. So this is the fastest. Shortcut keys are not so useful.
Like for control points and edit points. Generally, control points there is, but for edit points there is no shortcut key.
In version 5, there is more possibility of assigning shortcuts. Till version 4, it was not that much. So setting aliases is not so easy here. See, इसमें
Yeah, you can go to and then there is keyboard.
Where are aliases?
Keyboard.
So you can give whatever you want to give to these, but these also you cannot give.
Now if you just click on Control plus F5, and if you try to put in something, as in after that it doesn't happen. Like if you want to switch on edit point.
नहीं ऐसा है ना,
That
इसको ऐसा
is-
नहीं करने का,
that
इसको
is-
कंट्रोल सी करके इसको इधर कंट्रोल भी करने का.
So this is for control points.
हाँ
I'm talking for edit points. If I want
हाँ,
to.
तो वो एडिट पॉइंट्स का ये क्या है वो मुझे भी नहीं मालूम.
हाँ.
ओके वो उसका हेल्पफुल में देखना पड़ेगा कि वो क्या है. ओके पॉइंट्स ऑन दिस इज लिमिटेड.
हाँ.
इसके बीच में सी द ओनली थिंग इज दैट ईदर यू कैन यूज दिस कॉमा और यू कैन यूज दिस वन, एंड विद दिस देयर आर ओनली वेरी फ्यू डिफाइंड, एंड आई कुड नॉट फाइंड in the manual how you can define any damn thing, because it doesn't allow you to write CTRL plus whatever the way you can do it in alias.
Yeah.
In alias you can assign anything to anything, no problem at all. Okay, so maybe I can do some more research, but I definitely know that in Rhino 4 you don't have the flexibility of assigning anything to anything. In 5 it is better. Okay, so this is useful. The rest of them are also useful. If you create tabs, this is just amazing. Okay, so we come back to this one. Polygons, I don't need to explain. Just keep playing around, and you will seldom actually use them in real model. Okay, curve tools, ये सारे के सारे यहाँ पे हैं. Okay, guys, serious. This surface and this curve set of tools. These two are the two sets that I'm going to talk about now, which you have to digest. तेरे उसमें battery है? You have enough battery in this? So because this, you should be able to document this. Okay. Now this first one is extremely important for what you're doing now. Okay. I will actually go back and background में display में colors को थोड़ा सा एक level on down कर देंगे. Okay, थोड़ा दिखना शुरू हो जाए. Okay. So now what you have done is you've made a curve like this, and then you've made a curve like this already, right? And then let us say you've made a curve like this. Okay. Then what you did, you picked up the trim tool, and then you said, okay, I'm going to trim all these three के साथ. I'm going to trim this, all gone. Then you say, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a blend curve between this one and this one. Okay, I'm going to put a blend curve, and then I'm going to say join yes and trim also yes. Okay, and then let us say I adjust this a little bit, and I adjust this a little bit, and I adjust the tangency a little bit, and then I adjust the curvature also a little bit, and say enter. Now this whole thing becomes one single curve. Why? Because I said trim yes, join yes. Okay, we will redo this. We will redo this here and select. अभी उसमें already continuity G2 selected है. Continuity at first curve and second curve, right? So if I select this first curve, it will be G2 at 1, and if I select this second curve, it will be G2 at 2. Now you guys should observe this, that wherever I click, so if I click from here to here, उसके ज़्यादा हो गया थोड़ा. So if I click from this close, this is where it will put, right? And then if I click from here to here, it will make it that way, right? So that is how the software understands that you want the blend from where to where. Okay. this time we will say trim no, we will say join no, okay, and say enter. Now I have this curve and this curve as the original ones, and this trim curve also there, right? So I need a set of curves from you which is like this, and a set of curves from you which is like this. Correct? So same original set ko with the extended curves, get it. After that, make a duplicate layer. In one layer, put trim yes, put join yes, and cut trim. You will get your curve.
You want one continuous curve, everything, covering everything.
No, not covering everything. One individual part geometry. So if I am modeling the nose, so this curve from this side of the nathale to this side of the nathale should be one curve. Then this curve from here following the nose right up to here should be one curve. Then this should be one curve and this should be one curve. Only if I get these curves, this curve and this curve is when I can model that nose. Okay, in the other case, I want nose, I want nose, I want nose, I want nose, all these curves extended in all directions, like that. Okay? Now, let us do Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Y. Let us do this. Now in this case, if I try and put the blend curve, and if I click from here to here, it will go to the extremes. Why? Because this corner plate is not trimmed. So don't worry, you can hold this and you can drag this back down here. You can hold this and you can drag this back down here. Okay? You can again say trim yes, join yes, enter, and it will trim everything and leave you with the curve. Got it? Okay. Now, what we will do is, now we will see, this is now one single curve. Abhi, let us say some of you have already reached this stage, but you did not make another layer of the original curves extended. So what we will do is we will explode. Okay? Now this is my fillet, this is my one curve, this is my one curve, but I don't have this extended. So I will use the first tool in the curves thing, which is called extend. Now extend mein, this is extend curve smooth, this is extend curve in a straight line, this is extend curve as an arc, this is extend curve as an arc keeping the radius, this is extend arc with center, and this is extend curve on a surface. Okay? So what you generally would prefer to do is extend curve smooth. So you will take this curve, this edge, and smoothly wherever you want to end it, the way the curve originally was, maybe somewhere like this, finish it. Similarly, you will take this one and you will go and place it. Okay? Now, let me trim these two with these ones again. Okay? What we will now do is try and extend these as straight lines. So this one I will extend as a straight line. This one